How you folks doing today? I'm sure a lot of you with Freightliner, Cascadia, Columbia, Coronado especially, um, have this wonderful little switch on your dashboard. Not everybody does, but most of us do. And have experience where you've tried hitting this switch and you really got to fight with it to get something about it to work properly. And it's a real pain in the tuchus. Now, if you're for a company driver, no problem. They'll replace it. Doesn't cost you anything. But for us dumb owner operators out here, um, you go to replace this, you're in the ballpark of $100 depending on where you're at. Um, it's a little bit of an ouch to play with. Why blow $100 when you can fix it yourself? And when I tell you can fix it yourself, as you know, when you pop it out, just open up your dashboard, push it in at the top, push it in at the bottom, pops forward, undo the wire connector, pull it right out of the dash. This is a pretty quick, easy fix. Just got a little bit of patience and you're good. And you can fix this with 3 toothpicks. Now, what you get is on the switch, you got this wonderful little part sticker. Peel it off. As you can see, it comes off in one piece. Get it out of your way. Flip the switch back over. It's got a little tang right here. Same principle as this in reverse. Take a toothpick. Or whatever. You could use whatever you want. I'm just using a toothpick. Slip it down under just to hold it up so it doesn't actually lock in place. Stand it up. Take a toothpick. Slip it into this little tang. Don't need a lot. Just need to get it in there. If I can get it in there. You might have thinner toothpicks available to you. Oh, let me go for the bottom one first. Sorry, I'm working off of a white terry towel because black switch, black little desk in the truck, they don't go together very well. I apologize. I'm doing this one-handed while I'm holding the phone. That's why he's not getting along with me. Let me go to my cheat. Tell you what, I'm going to pause for a second so I can get 2 hands on it. Be right back. Did you miss me? I got the toothpicks to finally set up in there. Now, they're not going through or anything. All they're doing is holding up the tab. And if you notice how it's kind of the box there, the unit itself, I guess we'll call it channeled, where it's 2-piece. You got those tabs up. You got the tab on the other side that's up. Let's see if I can do this while I'm holding it here. There she is. Pull the toothpick, pull the toothpick, pull the toothpick, slid forward, slid forward. That's what you do. You slide it forward. It even kind of pops up for you. Go ahead and flip it over. Move the back piece out of your way. Now you got this. The board is nothing. Come on. No, all you got is a box. Here's your board. Now, you can take it and even pop it back in if you want. These are your problem children. Right there. Little copper tangs. The way you fix it, take the tangs, bend them out a little bit. Best off to have them even. Don't want to bend them too far. Give them a little more torque towards the bottom. Same thing with this one. A little more torque. And they slip right back in. These tabs go toward the circuit board side. Don't worry about if you got it in the right spot or not, because it answers itself. Wash is at the bottom. Sorry, just sitting here playing with it. Here's the other one. So all you did was you bent those tabs. That's it. Put it in place. Put your board down. Grab your cover. Lining up the covers and the front of switch is a little difficult one-handed here. Bear with me. There we go. And it literally snaps right back together. These two little tabs, they drop in right behind the base, the face. That tab locks right back in place. You're done. Put your switch back in. Believe me, it's very simple. I made it look a little difficult, but I'm also doing it one-handed trying to balance my phone. I hope that helps. It will definitely save you money. My thing, because I bought a switch, I have the one on the table here, and believe me, this is virtually brand new. It's only I believe 4 or 5 months old, and I started having the same problems with this switch that I had with the original. I bought this switch and I held on to the original because I knew it had to be a contact issue and wanted to check it out. So that's the original switch that I replaced, just put back in. Please pardon the dirt on the dashboard. I got some cleaning to do. But that's the original switch, works like brand new. And I just cleaned up this one. I've got a backup. When that one goes out, this one goes in. And I'll just keep cycling it around. You're going to save yourself $100, and all it is just bending those copper tabs. So in case somebody has the idea of, well, I'll just reach in through the hole here and bend them. You can't do that. Because of where they contact on that circuit board, it ain't going to work. So take it apart. It's real easy. It's three clips. It slides right open. Just bend those contacts a little bit. Put it back together. Done. Y'all have yourself a good day. I hope this might have helped. And if you can take care of it, it'll save you money. And if you really feel the need, go ahead and pop that sticker back on. Why, I don't know. But if you want. Have a good day, folks. Bye.